Wala lang guys, random lang to. Random na mga paalala about, wala, random lang. Alam mo yung feeling na hindi mo pinipilit ang isang bagay, but eventually it will happen at the right time, at the right timing. Actually, sobrang totoo yun ako. Grabe. Kasi nga, hindi ko inimagine that I will be here in the UK knowing that my first goal was really in Singapore. But you know what? God has really given me so much of a blessing because His plans are better than mine. May kasabihan nga, your plans are better, but God's plan is the best. So, totoo talaga yun, guys. Ngayon, na-enjoy ko living here in the UK. I'm on currently on holiday and sobrang grateful talaga ako. Minsan may mga bagay na akala natin yun talaga ang plano natin, but eventually, i-reroute kayo ni Lord kung saan talaga kayo deserve ba. And for that, maka-proud! This is Love of Love, another tips of inspiration to brighten your day. Maka-proud!